The birth of a foal is one of the most extraordinary moments in the life of horse. After nearly 11 months of pregnancy, the mare prepared to bring new life in the world. But not all births are the same. Some happen naturally with little to no help, while others require human intervention to ensure the safety of both mare and foal. In most cases, nature takes care of everything. When the time is right, the mare becomes restless. She paws the ground, lies down, gets up again and often sweats lightly. These are signs that labor has begun. In a natural delivery, the foal is positioned correctly inside the womb, with his front leg and head emerging first. This is the safest and most common presentation. Once labor begins, it usually progresses quickly. Within 20 to 30 minutes, the mare gives birth and the foal takes its first breath. A moment later, the bound begins. The mare gently muzzles her foal, encouraging it to stand and nurse. This natural process is not only difficult but efficient and deeply instinctive, shaped by thousands of years of evolution. But sometimes things don't go as smoothly. Complications such as foal position, backward twins, or a mare that is too exhausted to continue can put both lives at risk. In these cases, human assistance becomes critical. Veterinarians or experienced breeders may step in, guiding the foal into the correct position, helping with gentle traction during delivery, or in rare cases, performing a cesarean section. Assisted delivery requires knowledge, skill and quick action, as every minute matters. While it may sound stressful, assisted birth have saved countless mare and foals that otherwise would not survived. Whether natural or assisted, the birth of a foal is powerful reminder of the fragility and strength of life. Most mare handle it on their own, guided by instinct, while others rely on the watchful eyes and helping hands of humans. In the end, the goal is always the same: to welcome a healthy foal into the world, ready to stand on wobbly legs, take its first step, and begin its journey as one of nature's most magnificent creatures. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.